Yes, welcome to the Jamaican Young Police channel. To my loyal viewers and subscribers. This is gonna be something, totally different from what you guys used to. But this has to do with police. People always think that police do not have any sense of humor and police are some thick-skinned, egoistic people. But I'm going to give you a little insight into, the things that police endure and how it helps to cheer them up. This is me. A few years ago, I went to a stand-up comedy show, and I used my phone and videotape a guy making some police jokes. So I'm just gonna share you know police jokes with you and stuff like that. Something totally different because I want to every day although you go through all of these stresses of life, you want a little time, a little breathe, and you want to have a little laugh. You understand? Because with a little laugh, once a smile on your face, that do a lot. Because them say the people who laugh the most, they live the longest. So let's see. So you watch, you decide, and hopefully you will laugh. I know you will laugh if you have a sense of humor, but some people now have no sense of humor. So yeah, and that picture is an authentic picture with me and Arnold Schwarzenegger. Yes, that's what in California. You understand? Yes, when I was, recovering from my injuries, serving in the military. Don't want to talk about that. 3 years and I am still here. So we give thanks a lot. All right, so taking the jokes. Yeah, so
The word dick in it. The man can't predict nothing to me. Me not work so. Me not deal with that something there. You understand? Me not keep ball-head friend neither. Let me tell you why me not keep ball-head friend. Me see a youth when me grow with a New York and the man say, long time me not see my youth. If you come on my fire, tell the man about no come on your yard, my lad. I want you. Me go forward. So him say, all right, forward come on my yard. Forward come. My lad, me not like that. Sound too ecstasy, my lad. So I'm saying, all right, forward. I make we play some domino and thing and all that reasoning. I say, all right, what time? Him say 8 o'clock. I reach at the man yard about 7:58, and knock on the man door. He gonna ask me how that. So I say, I and I King Selassie, cha, Rastafari Pitney. Man, I tell me about too much on the outside. And one man me invite on him something there. Disrespect. I drive from Kingston forward and Mobile. I may have speed a little bit, and my brethren I drive. The police pull over the man. So he must say, police behind me. I say, go and drive, because I burn my spliff. He must say, no, we are going to get locked up. I say, go and drive, we're good. When the man finally pull over now, the police come. Hey, you was speeding? I say, all right. So he look for me and I tell me, say, you look like he's a smart ass. I say, fire. Or if you know say my ass smart, my lad. So the man starts smelling at the car now. And talk about him smell weed. I say, me too. So him say it smell like it a come out of the car. I say it smell like it a come off of you. Some set-up thing you deal with. So he asks my brethren for him documents and them things and go back in him car. So my brethren are going to tell me, boy, my lad, if you lock your mouth, because they're going to lock you up and I say, I'm not drive, I'm going to lock you up. I'm not drive Rasta. Police boy forward now and forward back of the car now. And look for my brethren and give him about 6 tickets, speeding and all kind of sitting and all kind of thing. And box my brethren in face, So I just kiss my teeth when I see the box run. Police boy said, don't drive over here, don't drive off here. I want to talk to him. I said, me? He said, yo. And the man started walking around on my side, but through his old vehicle, I roll up the glass on him, So when he reached at the car window now, he must say, roll down the glass. I said, roll down which glass? He said, you hear me say, wind down the glass. I said, fire. No man for tell no man about for wind down, I want you. Move up. Man say if you don't roll along the glass, I'm gonna break it. So Joe, me don't want him mash up Selassie's son face. Roll along the window for him. You know the man box me in my face. I'm look at him and say, what you deal with Rasta? You box me in my face. Man say, you look like one of them man that throw me box your bridging. You drive off and go down the road, you gotta tell him man say, if I me him couldn't box me so. So me just box the two on one time. Idiot thing that. I feel like the man all day too, you know. Fire for you, you know. If you're there, fire. And move up too. As I say, I know only by time, I just come to bless up the people. And you see me, I say, I bless up on the.
Yes, I hope you enjoyed that video. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, please subscribe. Like the video, like it, like the video, and share the video. And most of all, comment. We have a WhatsApp link, so you can link it and communicate with the other members of the channel. One love. And please, this channel is not for people who sympathy to criminals. We are not about criminals. We hate them. We have no sympathy for them. We don't like them. Have yourself a beautiful day.